Hi, I'm Evelina, and today I want to share something that completely transformed my daily intimate care routine. I'm talking about Urocare Flora Guard. If you're looking to keep your urinary health in check and feel lighter and more confident, stay with me until the end because I'll share some important warnings you won't want to miss. First big warning, be very careful where you buy it. Urocare Flora Guard is only trustworthy when purchased directly from the official website. I've added the link in the description to make it easy. That's the only way to guarantee you get an authentic product with quality assurance and a money back guarantee. Unfortunately, there are many fakes circulating on unauthorized sites and misleading YouTube videos. So, what exactly is Urocare Flora Guard? If you struggle with urinary discomfort, constant bathroom trips, or just want to strengthen your urinary system, this supplement might be your perfect ally. It combines scientifically backed natural ingredients like cranberry extract, D-mannose, and probiotics that work together to protect and restore your urinary flora. I like to call it an invisible protective shield. It helps flush out impurities, fights bacterial overgrowth, and keeps you feeling comfortable and secure all day long. Of course, it's not a magic overnight fix, but a real support for your body. Research shows that cranberry and D-mannose help prevent bacteria from sticking to the bladder walls, reducing discomfort and annoying urges. In my case, within just a few days, I already felt less pressure, fewer urges to run to the bathroom, and more freedom to enjoy my day without worry. The probiotics also helped balance my gut health. The best part? It works for both men and women, no matter your age, and starts working fast. How do you take it? Super easy. Each bottle comes with 60 capsules, and you should take 2 per day with water, preferably with meals. I take one in the morning and one at night to keep the effect steady. Side effects? For me, absolutely none. The formula is fully natural, with no harsh chemicals or unexpected reactions. Plus, it comes with a 60-day money back guarantee. If you don't feel results, you can request a refund hassle free. If you're ready to say goodbye to urinary worries and activate this protective shield, click the link in the description, go straight to the official website, and secure your Urocare Flora Guard. Don't wait, your comfort and quality of life are just one step away. Have questions? Drop them in the comments below. I'm here to help. And remember, buy only through the official link in the description to guarantee authenticity and maximum results.